good afternoon. I've been out of the house most of the weekend doing a 50-hour running challenge. So I have not been out to the garden, and it's been thundering and lightning pretty much every night. So I was worried that maybe it was gonna hurt the plants, but they actually look pretty fantastic. I hope you're doing good. Thanks for joining. So I just came to do a little update. Oh, look at this. My plants are looking very happy, actually. I've got a little banana pepper. I've got some little tomato blossoms. My cantaloupe has got some blossoms. Can you see them? Yeah, there they are. So I haven't been out all weekend. I was running most of the weekend. It weathered the storms. There's also mushrooms, and now these guys have gotten tall enough I'm gonna have to put little holders, little stakes up for them. But I gotta find out what to do about these mushrooms, because there's a bunch of them from all the rain. It's been, if you are in Columbia, you know it rained so much this weekend, and it's gonna do it again. Here's my plants that I picked up Thursday. So they're all still not transplanted, so I gotta transplant those. But mostly I just came out to see if everything was okay. Oh, here's something else. This little pot here, I have no idea if those things are gonna survive, but they are also cantaloupe little seedlings, because I put them in my compost, actually in my worm compost, and they started to grow. So I took them out and put them in there, and then we'll see if any of them survive. Let's see if there's anything else exciting to show you. The oregano, when I planted it at first, it looked kind of sad, but now it looks very happy. My green pepper is ready to plant. See, am I showing you? Yeah. And then I have a good sized little one started here. I think this is a red one. So I think that's everything I have to show you. All the little sticks are holding up, and the downpour didn't seem to hurt them. Now the first night, I think Friday night, when if you're here, you woke up in the middle of the night because it was such bright lightning, everything was kind of like falling over, but then it came back up. So I came outside to finish up planting everything that I have so far, since it's thundered and kind of stormed yesterday, and it's going to tonight, and maybe for the rest of the week it might be stormy. So I came out and planted everything, but that felt really awesome. And also, look what else I got. New bow. No! Stop. Look. I got eggs. Can you see them? Like a lot of eggs. While I was gone this weekend out running, I didn't check the coop. So today I just came out to check on the chickens, and they gifted me a whole bunch of eggs over the weekend. For a while they weren't laying anything, and now they're laying really good. So that's exciting. And then I planted everything that I have to plant. So I put more sticks up, and some of them I have, Andy, hey! Some of the plants I have tied to the stakes, and some I've just rested on there. I hope you guys are all doing good today. My peppers and my oregano are doing well. I have a new addition. I got eggplant and jalapenos, so I planted those. And I'm just kind of haphazardly trying things out. So I also added some jalapenos to the pepper bale, and one to the tomato area. Andy asked, how long ago did I start the plants? Most of them I bought as starts. A lot of the tomato plants were little tiny babies. Like, they were just tiny babies from my friend. So they were, I would say this was probably about 3 weeks ago. Is that right? 3 or 4 weeks ago now that I got the little plants. But all of these, you can see my dogs are running around. Most of these plants were pretty small just a few weeks ago, and they have shot up since I planted them. I don't remember if you saw the video where I planted my little cantaloupe plant. That was just last week. Look at how big it is now. It's like probably 2 feet tall, and it's got blossoms on it. The little ones that I didn't even think, no, Annie said no weeds with the hay. There's just little tiny bits of grass. Like here's some right there that I just pick out, but no weeds to speak of. The tomato plants that I just kind of stuck in there because I thought they probably weren't going to do very well, they shot up like over the weekend. So I staked them, and my staking is sort of an artistic and cheap choice. So I'm taking branches that I cut down from the yard, and I'm going to kind of weave them together as they need to be done. Also, it rained like the last few days. It thunderstormed, and I forgot that I had some packets of seeds. So I had some peas, and a couple of them started sprouting, so I just stuck them somewhere, and I didn't really keep track. So hopefully I'll know what they are. And I'm testing out like how many really can you fit. So this tomato plant's been there since the first day that I planted. And then there's a smaller tomato plant that I just planted today. And then I put some rosemary there. So I'm testing out different combinations of what fits where. I put another little tomato plant here, kind of behind the cantaloupe. So we'll see. And then I'm gonna plant some lettuce and things like that, things that grow kind of fast. Here's another thing I'm testing out. So this is all plants I'm gonna give to my friend. And it is some leftover jalapeno plants and eggplants. And then I had eaten a cantaloupe and put the seeds in my compost, and they volunteered. So the rest of them, I just decided to see what happens. So I planted them. And the one in that little strawberry container, the little one, I have the most hope for that one because it was short. The other ones were real leggy. So I just planted them anyways, and we will see. Oh, I did one more thing today. My friend had given me a blackberry bush for my birthday, and I finally planted it. So it's part of my little gardenscape now. The little fence I've had laying in the dirt, so I gotta spray it off and repaint it, but I think that'll look nice. And I think I might put a little walkway around here with wood. But that is everything that's going on today. I'm excited. I have everything planted, just some seeds to plant. My friend that I'm giving some plants, she's gonna bring me cucumber, and I would love to get a hold of a watermelon plant too, because I really want some watermelon. But I hope everybody's good. Thank you for stopping by and saying hey and keeping me company while I do this straw bale experiment. And I love you guys, and I hope you're doing well. There's lots of crazy weather everywhere. We got floods in Michigan and thunderstorms all over South Carolina. Probably still snow in Alaska. But have a great day. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.